Hello everybody, welcome again to our YouTube channel Civil Edu Online. In this video we will further continue with more questions about hydraulics and fluid mechanics. So if you have not watched our previous two videos, then please watch it and it will be helpful to you. These are the most important questions that can be helpful for GWSSB exam, and as you know, more weightage is there for the subject. Okay, so we shall start with our questions. First question: the surface tension of mercury at normal temperature compared to that of water is more. Correct answer is option A. Next question: an air vessel is provided at the summit in a siphon in order to, option A is correct answer, because air vessel is provided at the summit in a siphon in order to avoid the interruption in the flow. Next question: unit of viscosity. This is a bit confusing because if it is only asked viscosity, so answer will be kg second upon meter. But if it is asked kinematic viscosity, then the answer would be meter square per second. So A and B are confusing, but it is only asked viscosity, then you should write kg second per meter. Next question: select the correct statement. Option A, Weber's number is the ratio of inertia force to elastic force. Weber's number is the ratio of gravity force to surface tension force. Option C, Weber's number is the ratio of viscous force to pressure force. All those three are wrong. Correct answer is Weber's number is the ratio of inertia force to the surface tension force. See, all these numbers, Froude number, Weber's number, Euler's number, this you have to learn, and you have also to learn the ratios, whether it is the ratio of inertia to elastic, whether it is the ratio of inertia to surface tension, whether it is the ratio of inertia to pressure force. Okay, but in this case correct answer is Weber's number is the ratio of inertia force to the surface tension force. Next question: choose the wrong statement. Alcohol is used in manometer because as we know, alcohol is used in manometer because its density is less, because it also provides suitable meniscus for the inclined tube, and it also provides longer length for a given pressure difference. So as B, C and D are correct, so incorrect statement or the wrong statement is that its vapor pressure is low. And obviously in manometer vapor pressure has no relation, we have no significance of vapor pressure. So obviously option A is the wrong statement, or it is the correct answer for this case. Moving on to our next question. When a tank containing liquid moves with an acceleration in the horizontal direction, then the free surface of the liquid falls on the front end. It is moving on the horizontal direction, so front end will be free surface. Next question: pressure of 25 meter head of water is equal to, option A 25 kilonewton per meter square, option B 245. How 245? Because 25 meter is the head of the water, so that pressure will be obtained by rho g into h, and as you know, for water rho is, and the rho and g value if we multiply, then it comes out to be 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. So correct answer is 245 kilonewton per meter square. Next question: the hammer blow in pipes occurs when, option A, there is excessive leakage in the pipe, option B, pipe bursts under high pressure of fluid, option C, flow of fluid through the pipe is suddenly brought to rest by closing of valve. So correct answer is the flow of fluid through pipe is suddenly brought to rest by closing of valve. Next question: the resultant upward pressure of the fluid on an immersed body is called buoyancy. The very definition of buoyancy is that. Next question: when the water level on the downstream side of weir is above the top surface of the weir is known as submerged weir. Obviously. Next question: If the surface of the liquid is convex, then option A, cohesion pressure is negligible. Option B, cohesion pressure is decreased. Option C, cohesion pressure is increased. So correct answer is option C, because if it is convex, the cohesion pressure that will be increased. Next question. The increase in pressure at the outer edge of the drum of radius r completely filled up with liquid of density rho and rotating at omega radian per second is, so it will be half rho omega square r square. So correct answer is option C. Increment in pressure, that will be half rho omega square r square. Next question. The atmospheric pressure will rise in altitude, decreases linearly, first slowly, then steeply, first steeply, then gradually, and unpredictable. Correct answer for this case is option B, because the atmospheric pressure with the rise in altitude, first it slowly increases, then it steeply decreases. So correct answer is option B. Next question. The torque required to overcome viscous resistance of a footstep bearing is, correct answer in this case is option D, mu pi square nr raised to 4 upon 60t. Next question. Dynamic viscosity of most of the gases with rise in temperature. Obviously it increases with the rise in temperature. So correct answer is option A. Next question. According to Bernoulli's equation, Z plus P by W plus V square by 2G is constant. So correct answer is option A. Next question. Center of buoyancy is, so as you know the definition, center of buoyancy is the centroid of the displaced volume of fluid, because in the definition it is stated that buoyancy force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced and it acts at the centroid of the displaced volume of fluid. Next question. The loss of head due to viscosity for laminar flow in pipes is, correct answer will be 32 mu VL upon WD square. This we have to learn it. This formula is many times asked. So correct answer is 32 mu VL upon WD square. Next question. For a body floating in a liquid, the normal pressure exerted by liquid acts at, so it acts at all points on the surface of the body. So correct answer is option D. Next question. Newton's law of viscosity, it is a relationship between, as you know, Newton's law of viscosity, it relates the shear stress with the rate of shear strain. Du by dy, it is the rate of shear strain and tau is the shear stress. So correct answer is option B. We will continue further with more questions in the upcoming video. So please stay tuned to our channel. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching.